Hello, and welcome to another Rich Ideas video. In this video, we will talk about 5 great passive income ideas. So, let us get right into it. Regular profits from a source other than an employer or contractor are considered passive income. Passive income, according to the Internal Revenue Service, can originate from 2 sources. Rental property, or a business in which one is not actively involved, such as receiving book royalties or stock dividends. Many individuals believe passive income is about getting something for nothing, says Todd Tresidder. It appeals to the get-rich-quick crowd, but in the end, it is still work. You simply provide the effort up front. In practice, you may undertake some or all of the work up front, but passive income frequently necessitates some additional work along the way. To keep the passive cash flowing, you may need to keep your product updated or your rental property well maintained. However, if you stick to the method, it may be a terrific way to earn money while also providing you with some extra financial security. 1. Offering information products for sale. Establishing an information product, such as an ebook or an audio or video course, and then kicking back as money flows in from the sale of your offering is a popular technique for passive income. Sites like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera can help you distribute and sell your courses. Alternatively, you might use a freemium model, where you establish a following by providing free content, and then charge for more thorough information or for individuals who want to learn more. This methodology could be used by language teachers and stock-picking guidance. For example, the free content demonstrates your competence and may entice people looking to advance their careers. Information products can provide a good revenue stream because they are easy to produce money after the initial investment of effort. The risk. According to Tresidder, creating the product takes a significant amount of effort, and it has to be amazing in order to make good money from it. There isn't enough space for rubbish out there. If you want to be successful, Tresidder says you need to develop a strong platform, advertise your items, and prepare for new things. Unless you are extremely lucky, Tresidder continues, one thing is not a business. Creating additional fantastic products is the best method to market an existing product. He claims that if you learn the business strategy, you can generate a steady stream of revenue. Number 2. Rental revenue. Investing in rental houses is a great method to make money while you sleep. However, it frequently necessitates more effort than individuals anticipate. According to John H. Graves, you can afford a comfortable retirement. If you don't take the time to learn how to make it a profitable endeavor, you could lose your investment and then some. The opportunity. According to Graves, 3 factors must be determined in order to receive passive income from rental properties. 1. What kind of return do you desire on your investment? 2. The overall costs and expenses of the property. And 3. The financial dangers that come with buying a home. For example, if your objective is to produce $10,000 in rental cash flow each year, and the home has a $2,000 monthly mortgage plus $300 in taxes and other expenses, you'll need to charge $3,133 in monthly rent to meet your target. There are a few things to think about when it comes to risk. Is there a market for your property? What if you have a tenant who doesn't pay on time or does damage to the property? What if you can't get a tenant for your property? Any of these things has the potential to significantly reduce your passive income. In addition, the pandemic has presented new obstacles. Due to the economic downturn, you may find yourself with renters who are unable to pay their rent, even if you still have a mortgage to pay. Alternatively, if salaries fall, you may not be able to rent your house for as much as you could previously, and as a result of low rates, home prices have been rapidly rising recently, so your rents may not be able to pay your bills. As a result, you should consider these risks and prepare contingency plans to protect yourself. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Website owners, social media influencers, and bloggers use affiliate marketing to promote a third-party product by providing a link to it on their site or social media account. Although Amazon is the most well-known affiliate partner, other big brands include eBay, Awin, and Carousel, Instagram and TikTok. You might also consider building an email list to help readers find your blog or to lead them to items and services they might be interested in. The site owner earns a commission when a visitor clicks on the link and purchases something from the third-party affiliate. The fee might be anywhere from 3% to 7%, so you'll need a lot of visitors to your site to make any money. However, if you can increase your audience to find a more lucrative sector, such as software, financial services, or fitness, you may make a lot of money. Affiliate marketing is seen as passive since, in principle, you may make money by simply putting a link to your website or social media account. In actuality, if you can get your visitors to your site to click on the link and buy something, you won't make any money. Risk. If you're just getting started, it'll take some time to create content and generate visitors. Building a following can take a long time, and you'll need to figure out the appropriate recipe for drawing that audience, which can take a long time. Number 4. Retail products are flipped. Make use of online marketplaces like eBay or Amazon to sell items that you found at a discount elsewhere. You'll be able to arbitrage the difference between your purchase and sale prices, and you could even be able to establish a following of people who follow your offers. This could be especially beneficial if you have a contact that can assist you in obtaining reduced products that only a few other individuals have access to. Alternatively, you could be able to locate valuable items that others have neglected. The risk. While internet sales can occur at any moment, making this technique passive, you'll have to work hard to find a dependable supplier of merchandise. You'll also need a reliable supply of funds because you'll have to invest money in every one of your products till they sell. You'll need to be well versed in the market to avoid paying too much for something. Otherwise, you can end up with things that no one wants or that require a significant price reduction to sell. 5. Peer-to-peer lending is a type of lending where people lend to each other. A peer-to-peer loan is a personal loan arranged by a third-party intermediary such as Prosper or Lending Club between you and a borrower. Funding Circle, which targets enterprises and offers big borrowing limits, and Payoff, which targets better credit risks, are two other players. As a lender, you earn money by charging interest on the loans you make. However, because the loan is unsecured, you run the danger of defaulting and losing everything. You must do two things to reduce the risk. Invest small amounts over a number of loans to diversify your lending portfolio. The minimum investment per loan at Prosper.com and Lending Club is $25. Analyze past data on potential loans to make educated decisions. The risk. Mastering the basics of peer-to-peer lending takes time, so it's not 100% passive. You'll want to properly assess your prospective borrowers, and because you're investing in several loans, you'll need to keep track of payments received. If you want to increase your income, you should reinvest whatever interest you earn. High-yielding personal loans are more likely to default during economic downturns. Therefore, if COVID-19 continues to harm the economy, these loans may default at higher rates than in the past. Number 6. Stocks that pay dividends. Shareholders in firms with dividend-paying stocks receive a payout from the company at regular periods. Companies pay cash dividends out of their profits on a regular basis, and all you have to do is own the stock. Dividends are paid per share of stock, so the more shares you own, the more dividends you'll receive. Owning dividend-yielding stocks can be one of the most passive ways to make money because the income from the stocks is unrelated to any action other than the initial financial investment. The funds will be put directly into your brokerage account. The risk. Choosing the appropriate stocks is the difficult part. Companies that pay out a large dividend, for example, may not be able to maintain it. Graves cautions that too many newcomers enter the market without first thoroughly researching the firm that is issuing the shares. You have to look at each company's website and make sure you understand their financial statements, Graves says. Invest 2 to 3 weeks in each company, says the expert. However, there are ways to invest in dividend-paying equities without devoting a lot of effort to research them. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are recommended by Graves. ETFs are exchange-traded funds that hold assets such as equities, commodities, and bonds in trades like stocks. ETFs also diversify your holdings, so if one firm reduces its dividend, it has little impact on the ETF's price or income. ETFs are an excellent choice for beginners since they are simple to comprehend, extremely liquid, inexpensive, and have far higher potential returns than mutual funds, Graves adds. Another big danger is that stocks or ETFs might fall sharply in a short period of time, particularly during times of uncertainty, such as in 2020 when the coronavirus outbreak shook financial markets. Some corporations may completely slash their payouts as a result of economic crisis, whereas diversified funds may be less affected. So, that is all from this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, kindly like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. And feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We will be back with another amazing video. Stay tuned to Rich Ideas.